Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment EX16 Excel Chapter 7 Grader ML2 HW Artwork Database 1.1. In its project description, you are an analyst for an art gallery that is authorized Greenwich Workshop, fine art dealer. Customer in your area especially fond of James C. Christian Arts. You prepared a list of art work, art type, edition size, release date, issue price, estimated market value. You want to identify highly sought after pieces based on age, percentage of value increase, sold out status. In addition, you want to perform an advanced filter and identify the specific details for the filter data. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is open Exploring E07 Grader H3 Art and save it as a Exploring E07 H3 Art last first. So we will copy. I have already opened this file. We will go to the file. We will go to the save as, and in here you will go to the browse. I will put browse as a last name Exploring E07 Grader H3 Art last first. In the last first you will put your last name and first name and save this one. I have already saved this one file, so I will not save. So now we will move. That's our first step. We will move to our second step. Our second step is in the cell G2 in the valuable worksheet. So we will go to the cell G2 of that is our cell G2 of the valuable worksheet. Enter the year frac function to calculate the number of year from the release date and the date in the cell Q2. So we will go to the here we will put year frac function. We'll select the year frac. And what is the start date? Start date is the date in the cell F2, which is our release date. And what he is saying that the date is Q2. So we will find the Q2. That is our Q2, which is end date, today date. So we will make this one an absolute reference by putting F4, and we will close our brackets. No, we will put Q2 as a today date, and we will make this one absolute reference. And after this we will close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our result. Year since released is 18.3. What is he saying? Format the value with the comma style with the one decimal places. So we will select this one. We will press Ctrl plus 1. So we have got this. We will select the number with one decimal places and press OK. So we applied comma style with the one decimal place. Copy the function to the G3 to G40. So we will copy this one up to G40 cell. That's our G40 cell. We have got a result in the our required column. That's our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, Canvas course, Pearson Plus course, or if you need help in Excel assignments, PowerPoint assignment, Word assignments, or SS assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. We will move to our third step in the cell L2 in the valuable worksheet. So we will go to the cell L2. That's our cell L2. What is saying? Enter a nested logical function to display highly valuable if either condition is met. So we will put the if formula. In this we will first put the if formula, and what is he saying? The release date is on or before December 31, 1994. So we will put our formula here. start our bracket. What he is saying that the release date is on or before 31 December 1994. So we will put release date, that is our release date. Release date is on or before, so we will put this one and is equal to, what is our formula? 04, that's our 12/31/1994. Yes, 12/31/1994. So we will make this one 04 as a absolute reference. And what is our second? The sold out status is yes. So we will sold out status, that is equal to yes. No, we need to, what is saying, or the sold out student status is yes. So we will put and function here. What is saying, sold out status is equal to yes. And what's the other thing? He is saying that percentage increase value is at least 5,000. So what is the percentage increase? Where is percentage increase? What is the, that's in the K2 cell. We'll put K2. K2 is greater than, at least mean greater than 500%, which is the O3. So we will make this one as an absolute reference. And what is the other condition? The addition size was less than 700. Addition size, where is the addition size? In the cell E2, its addition size must be greater than the 700, which is in the cell O2. We will make this one as an absolute reference as O2 and close our bracket. Then close the bracket of the second one. That's our logical test. What is the logical test? If its value, if the value is true, our value must be high valuable. We will copy this, put this one as a high valuable. And if this one is not true, then what is the value? Within the logical test, use the references, set all the condition. If it's not, value is not in the here, so it show the blank cell and we will press enter. So we have got our result, that's our blank cell. And what he is saying, use a copy the function from L2 to the range L3 to L14. We need to copy this function up to L40. So you see, we have got our results in the sum of the cells. So we have got our correct formula, that's our formula. And that's our third step. We will move to our fourth step. Our fourth step is in the cell O10 in the valuable worksheet. So we will go to the cell O10. That's our O10. What we need to do? Enter a database function to count the number of art pieces where the comment is highly valuable. criteria range is located in the cell N6 to N7. So in this cell you will just put a count function, then it will be correct, or otherwise you will put a database function which is dCountA. That's our database function. We will put dCountA. What is our database? Our database is the C1 to L40. That's our database. And what is our criteria? What we need to copy? The comments in the cell. Comments we will put as a comments we will use comments. And what is our criteria range? He tells us the criteria range. Criteria range is located in the cell range N6 to N7. So we will select the criteria range N6 to N7. That's our criteria range. We will close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our results for the number of artwork. Here is the 5. That's our fourth step. We will move to our fifth step. Our fifth step is in the cell O11 in the valuable worksheet, enter a database function to calculate the average east value of the highly valuable pieces of the artwork in the column J. So we will put D average formula. That is our database formulas, D average. We will start our bracket. What is our database? C1 to L40. That's our database. We will select the database as a C1 to L40. And what is the field? Our field is the field in the J field. So that's our, we will select the field name as a, we will put field name as a east dot value. That's our field value, field title. And what is our criteria? The criteria located in the cell range N6 to N7. Criteria will be the same N6 to N7, and close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our average estimated value 929.00. That's our result. We will move to our sixth step. In the cell O12 in the valuable worksheet, enter a database function to total the estimate value of the highly valuable pieces of artwork in the column L. The criteria is the located in the range N6 to N7. So we will put here as a dsum formula. Our database will be the same C1 to L40. That's our C1 to L40. And field is the, what is it, J1, which is east value. And what is our criteria? Our criteria is the criteria range is the N6 to N7. So we will select the criteria range as a N6 to N7 and close our brackets and press enter. So we have got our result in the cell 4649. That's our result. That's our sixth step. We have total 16 steps of this assignment. I have performed 6 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through scanning the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. or you can directly comment on this video, so I will get you soon.